Euro USD, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, as we can see the price, there was a continuation. The price broke the previous low. Now I want to see what's the next. Whether this we can expect for the correction for continuation or reversal. In this case, we start with the higher time frame. First, we start with the daily chart. As you can see, based on daily chart. Now the thing is, this is what we want to know because we thought maybe this one turned to a big correction similar to what we have here. But as you can see, the price drop. Now the thing is, how deep this one can go, or we can look for reversal, or this one turn to a more complex correction before we get the next down move. By the way, we move to forward chart. Okay, first, before we talk whether we look for sell or buy, we need to know that if we want to see how we can look at this, either this is the only correction and this is the start of the down move, or we can put this two into relative to each other. We have this move in relative to this, and we can expect one move up. Okay, as we can see, the price broke this low. Okay, the only thing is we will have two options simply because of the price couldn't broke this one. This one couldn't broke the previous top. Okay, the only things I want to mention here, we will have both possibility. Okay, now if we want to look for trade, if you want to look for sell, we need to get a bigger correction here to confirm the continuation. And if we want to look for buy, we need to get any reversal with a sharp move flag. For sure, if there is a reversal in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us a better trade setup simply because of this. If the price broke the previous stop confirm for us, then we could consider, okay, this is the only correction and this is the start of the down move. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. Okay, what I want to say is that if we want to look for sell, we need to get a proper trade setup. What we have right now, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. And one thing I forget about forward chart, if we based on forward chart, if we put this one in relative to this, we see what we have based on the indicators. We have a divergence as well here. That's why maybe the price can reverse. Okay, now we move to 1 hour chart. If we want to trade, first of all, we talk about the sell. If we want to look for sell, what we have right now, even the price if drop, the only way is to have entry below this, but it's really risky. We are not going to talk about it. The best thing is if this one turns to a more complex, that's mean we get the big, not complex, bigger correction. That's mean the price corrected for longer time. If we get this correction, then any down move we can look for sell. Rather than that, we are not going to sell because any sell can be similar to what we have here. Drop, start to correct, drop, start to correct. If we get this kind of the move, then for sure we can look for reversal. But how about if the price reverse from here? If we get any sharp move with a breakout of this top, with a flag, we can look for trade. And the next target we're looking for is at least we need to wait to price to come to this top. Then from there we start to manage. For sure, if we get a buy setup in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. But if we want to look for sell or buy, we need to get the proper trade setup because of what I mentioned based on forward chart. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, we see what we get here, then I will share. Thanks.